Good afternoon. Approximately 8:05 p.m. on Saturday, the 21st day of August 2022, the Bermuda Police Service received several 911 calls that reported a disturbance that was taking place at a residence on Aswad Walk on the South Shore in Warwick. Police officers attended to that scene, and upon their arrival, they did confirm that in fact a disturbance had taken place. 2 persons were injured during this particular disturbance, and both men were taken to the hospital for treatment. Unfortunately, on the arrival, one of the injured men succumbed to his death, and the Bermuda Police Service can now confirm the 30-year-old male who has died is Marcus Wilson. The other injured man is 38 years of age, who on his arrival at the hospital underwent surgery. However, he has recovered and is resting at the hospital under their care. The purpose of this appeal today is to continue to make an appeal that has been made in previous reports, looking for witnesses to this assault or this disturbance. And in particular, we are interested in speaking with persons who live in the immediate area as well as the surrounding areas, in particular the area of Billy Goat Hill, South Shore and Warwick, by the Warwick Shell gas station, and in particular for those residents that has CCTV. If you can make contact with us so that we can come and review your footage, that will greatly assist us in our investigation. The inquiry into the murder of Marcus Wilson has progressed, and we can report that 2 persons have been taken into police custody and are currently detained whilst investigations and inquiries are made. We do know from our inquiries that there were a total of 4 persons that were involved in the assault on the 38-year-old male and were responsible for the murder of Marcus Wilson, and inquiries to locate those 2 individuals are currently ongoing. On behalf of the Bermuda Police Service, we do extend our sincere condolences to the family of Mr. Wilson, and we would ask that you, our community partners, to make contact with us and to assist us to bring closure to his family so that we can also bring before the courts successful prosecution. Thank you.
Any questions?
Good afternoon, Detective Inspector Smith. Are you aware, you managed to say that you're inquiring for people to bring in CCTV footage if they have any. Are area businesses assisting with that?
Yes, we have had some assistance from area businesses, and we're grateful for that.
Was the victim or the individual in or in hospital known to police?
No.
Okay. I understand that it might have been a situation where it was a home invasion. Is there any reason to suggest that was the case at this point?
No, I don't think our inquiries are going down that particular line of a home invasion. So I would say no at this stage, yes. Good afternoon.
Thanks. I may have misheard, but it sounded like you mentioned that there were 4 people that police were hoping to track down, and then you said 2?
No, two. There are 4 persons believed to be involved.
Of course, and there's 2 in custody.
The murder, and 2 of the 4 are currently in police custody.
Got you. Early days. Are you able to say if the gentleman who lost his life was he a resident of that house? Was that his home?
Yes.
Was the other person, the injured person, also a resident of the home?
Yes.
Righto. I've had a chat with some of the folks in the area. Was the house known to police?
It is a residence that the police are familiar with.
It's very early. I guess I wanted to ask if there was any reason to suspect if what happened at this residence was connected with some of the recent high-profile police operations that we've seen.
I cannot speak directly to that.
Yeah.
There's no suggestion that this is any correlation at this point.
So I appreciate you. Thanks.
Anything else?
There was a drowning at the weekend on Saturday. I had wondered if you had any additional information to do with that incident.
No, I cannot shed any light on that.
Okay, thank you.